Skye was out trying to find another Paw Patrol chocolate egg, and Rubble, Marshall, Chase and Ryder were waiting for her to call. That's her! Skye, have you found anything?
Yes, but I've got a problem.
Use your Mighty Pup power to fly away.
I can't. My power's worn off.
Don't worry, we'll come and rescue you. Where are you?
I'm in...
Oh no, we lost connection. Pups, you'll have to find her. We're on it, Ryder. Oof. Okay, we need Wizard Funling to turn us into Mighty Pups.
I'm here!
What? Oh, that was lucky. Please can you turn us into Mighty Pups?
Okay! Now then, once you've used your power, you'll turn back into a regular pup. Bye!
Right, where did Skye go first? I think she said she was going to Chef Funling's tea room. Great, let's go! Chef Funling, have you seen Skye?
I've seen lots of things. Skye, a dinosaur, Diesel 10.
But do you know where Skye went?
I'm more interested in where Diesel 10 went. He took my cake.
If I can rescue your cake, can you tell us where Skye went?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, come here, Diesel. I've got a cake. I've got a... What? What was that? Oh no! Where's my cake? Too slow, Diesel. Here, Chef Funling.
Yes, you saved it.
Oh no, my powers wore off because I used my super speed. Oh well, Chef Funling, where did Skye go?
She went to the snowy land.
The snowy land? Come on, let's go. Skye? Skye? Poop! Can you hear something? I think it's coming from that snowman. I'm stuck. I'll melt it. McQueen? Phew, thank you. What are you doing inside a snowman? I was hiding from a dinosaur, but the snow froze too solid. I couldn't get out. McQueen, do you know where Skye is? Yes, she was here earlier. She went to that tunnel next to the pond. Thanks, McQueen. Let's go. Skye? Skye?
Pups? Please can you help me?
A funling's stuck in that tunnel. I'll get them out. Oh, there.
Phew, thanks, Rubble.
What were you doing in that tunnel?
I was hiding from a dinosaur, but I got stuck.
A dinosaur? Everyone's mentioned a dinosaur today.
It's nearby. Its nest is right behind you.
What? Oh yeah! And look, there's Skye and the egg. Uh-oh, but there's the dinosaur as well. How can we save her? We've used up all our powers.
But we can help.
What? We can save Skye and the egg.
You used your powers to save us. This is the least we can do.
Thanks, guys. Be careful. But they had a plan.
Oh, dinosaur! Chef Funling's got a tasty treat for you. A freshly cooked burger.
But you can only have it if you can get it.
Come on, Skye, let's go!
Okay, dinosaur, it's all yours. Just go through the tunnel. Yes, it's in the tunnel. The dinosaur is gone. Wow, well done, you three.
And thanks for saving me.
Well, thank you for saving my cake.
And for saving me from the snow.
And for getting me out of the tunnel.
No problem. Now let's take this egg back to Ryder and see what's inside. It's Chase! Well pups, I'm very proud of you. Not only did you rescue Sky and the egg, but you helped others along the way. Well done everyone.